how to create and edit smart lists. Smart lists are a great way to organize your contact records by customizing filters to create lists or categories of contacts. You may use as many filters as you like, completely customizing the experience and how thoroughly filtered you want your contacts to be. You can keep it simple with one filter, for example, any leads with no activity in the last 60 days, or leads with a particular tag. You may also choose to add multiple filters to further specify a particular group, such as leads with a particular tag and no activity in the last 60 days and with a particular area code in their phone number. The more filters you add, the more specific your list will be. Follow along to learn how to create, edit, and use your smart lists. Part 1 is creating your smart list. Step 1. Create a list. Navigate to Contacts and Contacts and Smart Lists. Choose More Filters in the top right corner. Depending on your system access, you may see one of two different options. Keep in mind that both options offer the same functionality, they just look a little bit different in terms of the visual display. Let's review option A. Choose one or more filters from the list that pops out from the right side of the screen. You may search for a filter or scroll through the list, which is categorized in different sections, beginning with the most used at the top. When you click into a filter, fill out the appropriate information as requested. For example, if you select business name and filter by is not empty, the filter will find anyone with any business name as long as that field is not empty. Click Apply to save your filter. On the next screen, you may edit or delete the filter using the pencil and trash can icons. You may also add one or more additional filters. Click And to add another filter. As you add your filters, you can see them building as a list on the right side of the screen within the filter window. This will give you a visual display and a preview of how the filters are being set up. For example, business name is not empty, and address is empty, and first name is Bob. In the bottom of the window, click Save as Smart List to save the filter or filters as a permanent list within your system. Note that you can always edit or delete this list later. Now let's review option B. Select More Filters on the right side of the screen. Choose one or more filters from the drop-down and fill out the appropriate information according to that filter. For example, if you filter by Tag Is, choose the tag that you want to search by. Repeat these steps to add any additional filters. Once you've applied the filter or filters that you wish to use, click the plus icon to save this as a new smart list. Again, you can always edit or remove this list later. Now you will be able to click through all of your smart lists as tabs on your contact page. Part 2. Accessing, editing, and duplicating your smart lists. Step 1. Accessing your smart lists. Within your contact section of your system, the default view is All Contacts. This is your main smart list. At the top, you'll see a list of any of the names of smart lists that you've created. Click on the name of a smart list at the top to view that tab or that smart list. Step 2. Editing and duplicating your existing smart list. Click into an existing smart list. The filters that are saved for that list will appear on the right-hand side. You can delete filters or edit filters as you'd like. Step 3. Smart List Settings. In the top of your screen, if you navigate to Manage Smart Lists, on the Contacts page, you'll be able to see a list of all your smart lists. Here, you can use different icons to copy, share, edit the name, or delete a smart list. These icons can be found on the right-hand side. That's it for now. It's as easy as that to create, edit, and utilize smart lists within your system to organize your contacts.